friends, information technologies content videos we are uploading daily, day by day in my channel. Subscribe the channel. Okay, today we are see when I try to turn on the laptop, is going to power on and not no display. Okay, power on but no display. This is error. See this error LED orange light blinking and beep sound is comes. How to solve? Go to power button, long press. Is basically is for shutdown. Okay, when I try to mobile also same long press you do that time will happen for go to shutdown option. Laptop back side, remove battery and open the back cover. And first basically we are tried first remove RAM and clean and refix. This is the first step because day by day I will upload in my channel for this kind of issues. One by one we are seeing. Okay, first step is RAM issue or not, we are check it. Already RAM is there, so we are once clean and refix and change the another slot, RAM slot, and do check. If case this RAM not working, you change a new RAM also, clean and fix it here, work or not. After we go to another in options. First option we are do will best or not, try. Okay, do will try best or not, working or not. I am put a power on. Yes, this is RAM related issue. This is for any Dell laptop. This kind of issues comes now. Go to check RAM once, clean and refix and change RAM slots and newly